So spread operator and rest operator in JavaScript. Uh, Talking about syntax, it's kind of looks like same, but uh, usage of both are different. Like both are serve kind of different purpose. Uh, I have this array that have numbers, and if I want to copy this array, then I cannot do like const copy of numbers. Then I cannot do like I cannot assign this number array to this copy number, because if I try to modify this or mute it, if I muted this copy array like on 0 indexed, I will add 7, then this will mutate this original array, because it's not pass by value, it will pass the reference of that array. So if I log here numbers, then that will be 7 on the first index. So let me log. As you can see, it will mutate that array. So for copying also we can do like we can use for loop. Let I is equal to 0, I less than numbers dot length, numbers dot length. Can do I plus plus, then I can use copy numbers, then I can use push bar, then I can use numbers of I, then initially it will be empty array. So it will create a new array copy, it will create a copy of these numbers. So again I can do like copy numbers of 0 is equal to 7, then it will not mutate that original array. Console.log numbers, so it would be not changed, so it would be 1 2 3 4 5 only. Then if I log that copy array, it should be changed. So for copying array we have to do for loop, then we have to push that. So it's not good for uh, coding this much. It's not good for copying an array, we have to use for loop. Then we can use that uh, spread operator for copying. So we can use spread operator for copying and copying an array, like we can use spread here. It will like unpack that array inside this array, so we don't have to use that for loop again and again. We can use this shorthand kind of method, so we can create this copy array. So again this will give same output as previous, so we just remove that for loop and we can use spread operator like this. And we can also use multiple array like numbers 2 that have 6 7 8 9 and 10. We can join also array that will be number 2, so copy number will be 1 to 10, as you can see. So here I change index of 0 of this array. I for this array in zero index I change the value, that's why it's not showing 1. So this is how we can use spread operator in console.log. Let's see how it's look like when we use numbers, then we use spread operator. Let me remove this. So in console.log it showing like this 1 2 3 4 5 without comma, but when we use a bracket, then it show that array, as you can see. And this is completely new array, it not referencing uh, to this array. We can change anything inside this array and it will not reflect on that original array. Next is a uh, rest operator. We can use like we have multiple arguments in some function, that will be add, then in add we can 1 2 3 4 5 6, like something like this. And if we don't want to like handle like this a b c, something like that, then we can use here rest operator. It will wrap this all argument inside an array. If I log this rest, it will, this all argument will wrap in that array, as you can see. Or also we can do like, we can get first, second, third element using, like we can store in first parameter a will be 1, b will be 2, something like that. Then if I log here a and b, it should be 1 and 2, as you can see, 1 and 2, and the rest will be that 3 4 5 6. So this is how we can use the rest. Rest we can use for destructuring array and object. Let me destructure this above array, that will be const, then numbers, then inside we can use variables like a. So a will be the first on the 0 indexed value, that will be 1. So if I log this a here, it should be 1, as you can see. But here I can also use rest, like dot 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 rest, then it would be that rest value 2 3 4 5. I can log this here rest, it should be 2 3 4 5, as you can see, 2 3 4 5 in array. I can also here do like b, that will be 2, a and first a and the second will be b, as you can see, 1 and 2. But here I cannot do like last element rest, and then I cannot do like last element will be z. So here only it will giving error, as you can see, rest element must be last in destructuring. So before, I think 5 to 6 months ago, I asked ChatGPT to give me last element of an array, then it will giving me this kind of response that will be completely wrong. So ChatGPT also make mistake like this. ChatGPT giving me this solution that I will get like this, but now uh, ChatGPT solved that problem. So right now it will not give response like this, but previously it's giving me like this, that I can get last element of an array. So I cannot use this syntax for getting last element of an array. For last element array, I can do like uh, inside rest, uh, I can do like console.log rest, then I can do rest dot length, then -1, then it should be index of that last element, so we can access this last element of that rest array. That would be 5, as you can see. But uh, we cannot do like this for getting a last element. We can only select first, or we can select from left side element of an array, then that we can store inside variable in destructuring. So this is how rest and spread operator are works in JavaScript. It will be really good shorthand method. We don't have to again and again like for copying array, and we don't have to like uh, again and again type this numbers, or we don't have to like handling this every argument inside this parameter. So we can use rest and spread operator, something like that. So thank you.